mau tolu, ko mau tolu, hau! Ko mau tolu,
The Niuean takalo is a haka, like a war dance that is supposed to strike fear in our opponents.
It can be performed in different events. You can have it at a hair cutting ceremony, a very important birthday, or a funeral, just very important events.
Ko mau tolu, hau! Ko mau tolu, kai tau tangata, kai tangata, kai tangata. Ka mo e aua koe momo nei si he, 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 si he, he, he. One more time.
Whakalofala e atu ko Brooklyn Jackson, ho e manga ko tamakatanga mo hakupu. I think that takalo is important to me because it's in my tradition, and when I do it, I kind of feel proud of me doing it for the person or something. And it's just important because it's in our culture. Like, we kind of have to do it sometimes.
The Niuean takalo is important to me because it helps me show my respects to my ancestors, and it helps me reconnect with my culture. And it's really important to us Niueans because it's a sign of respect to who we're doing it to. And yeah, I really enjoy doing the takalo because it helps, it just shows my passion for Niue. The takalo is important to me because it represents our culture and our ancestors. We've been doing this for hundreds of years, and for me to learn it shows that I respect my ancestors and would like to carry on the tradition.
There, hold it. Mafisi! Ko mau tolu, kai tau tangata, kai tangata. Haku tau toa, hamanaki! Ha! Ko mau tolu, hau! Ko mau tolu, kai tau tangata, si kai tangata. Ka mo e aua koe mongo nei si he, 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 si he, he, he. Mafisi! Ko mau tolu.
Well, the literal meaning is I'm going to eat you up. And yeah, it's a war dance to act like really courageous, brave and warrior, savage-like. I feel like a warrior or a savage, or it depends on the occasion. If it's for a rugby match, or then I feel pumped. But if it's like for an important birthday, then I feel like it's a responsibility to show my respect to that person.
Haku tau toa, hamanaki! Ha! Ko mau tolu, hau!
Ko mau tolu, kai tau tangata, kai tangata, si kai tangata. Ko mau e aua koe mongo nei, si he, 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 si he, he, he. Ko mau tolu, kai tau tangata, kai tangata, si kai tangata. Ko mau e aua koe mongo nei, si he, 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 si he.